Hello. Hello. Good day. Hello.
Greetings from Tuklakapat village, New Delhi, India. In Tuklakapat village, there's a slum. We are going to hear the voice of a young mother who lives in the slum. This young woman was forced to marriage and is now trying to get back her freedom and life. Listen to her words.
तो मैं घर में अपनी बेटी के साथ ही रहती हूँ और उसी के साथ ही टाइम बिताती हूँ और भाई भाभी की जो बच्चे हैं उनके साथ और घर में काम काज.
She basically does all the household works on the day-to-day basis. She spends her whole day with her own children and the children of her relatives. She is married, but she got divorced, and it took around 1 year. So from last 1 year, she is divorced.
अभी एक बेटी है, बेटी के साथ.
So at the moment, she is of 20 years of age, and her daughter is of 8 months. Since her childhood, she is living here. She is actually separated now, but not legally divorced.
वो कभी आए भी नहीं और कभी देखने भी नहीं, कभी फोन भी नहीं करते.
So
बच्चे बेबी जब से हुए से कभी नहीं आए.
Post marriage, she was with her husband for 2 months only at her husband's place, and then she came back here, and her baby took birth here only.
कभी कॉल करके भी नहीं पूछे. जब मैं प्रेग्नेंट थी उस टाइम पे कभी पूछा नहीं.
Her husband has had some different issues and different bad habits, like drinking, and also had some extramarital affair post marriage. Just 2 days after post marriage, her husband starts doing the physical abuse with her at home, and he generally comes at home after drinking, and he used to do washrooms, toilets on the bed in the room itself. And when she complains about it, he starts abusing her physically. And that's the place where the problem started, just 2 days after the marriage.
At what age were you married?
आपकी उम्र कितनी थी जब शादी हुई थी आपकी?
19 साल की.
19 years. She was not interested in marriage. It was a forceful marriage. Her husband's father and her father were known to each other before their marriage. And her father was in one of the city for travel purpose. And they were there for the purpose to see the girl for the marriage of her husband before the marriage. And there somehow they got in connection, and her husband father starts pressurizing her father that why not you get your daughter married with my son.
मम्मी पापा ने बोले शादी कर लो. तो मैं जॉब करना चाहती थी क्योंकि अभी शादी के उम्र नहीं हुए, तो मैं सोची थी जॉब करूँ, कुछ करूँ अपने लिए, बैंक बैलेंस कुछ करूँ. तभी भी तो मम्मी पापा ने तभी भी बोला कर लो कर लो कर लो. तो तभी भी शादी में राजी नहीं थी, तो ज़बरदस्ती शादी हुई.
She had a plan to make her career. She wants to do a job and to save a good money for her livelihood. But her parents, mother, father, forced her to get married first. And that's why, because under the pressure of her parents, she got married and unable to pursue her career.
तो मैं शादी अब किसको दोष दूँ, अपनी किस्मत को दूँ या मम्मी पापा को दूँ? या क्योंकि मुझे ड्रिंक वाले लोग तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थे. मम्मी पापा को तो अब उनकी भी गलती है, जो मेरे ससुराल वाले में भी है उनकी भी गलती है. उन्होंने उनकी मतलब शादी नहीं हो रहे थे, जल्दबाजी में बोला ये वो करके करवा दिया, किसी से भी बात नहीं करने दी आस पड़ोस में.
So she cannot decide whether to blame her luck or her bad luck or their parents. So it's very confusing for her, because she thinks that she is never interested in a person who drinks usually. But she also thinks that the problem is with their in-laws also, because they were in hurry to get their son married, and that's the reason they also not allowed them and their family, her and her family, to inquire about her husband before marriage from the nearby locations. So they don't know anything about her husband before marriage.
यही वजह है. सब लोग आस पड़ोस वाले बोलते हैं बेटी बड़ी हो गई. इंडिया में तो यही रूल है ना कि थोड़ी सी बेटी लोग बाहर, लड़की लोग जॉब करे, कुछ करे, तो यही बोलने लगते हैं कि बड़े हो गए, शादी करवा दो, नहीं तो भाग जाएंगे, वो करेंगे. इसी वजह से और भी मम्मी पापा ने जल्दी कर दिया कि उनकी बदनामी ना हो. वो
She thinks that in India generally there is a culture, societal pressure that generally when the girls grow, the neighbors and the relatives starts pressurizing them that they have to get her daughter married as soon as possible, because if she starts working somewhere, then she definitely have to spend time outside for job and work, and the society and relative thinks that the girl don't have a good character because she stays long time out of the home. So because of these pressures, they think that the girl should get married at her early stage. So that's why they prefer to have early marriage, and due to this pressure she got married.
उनका तो उनका ज़बरदस्ती नहीं थे।
She thinks that it was not a forced marriage for her husband. He did it by his own will.
अभी तो इधर तो सबने कोई लव मैरिज किया, कोई अरेंज मैरिज किए।
In his known area and this particular place, she don't know anyone who gets forcibly married. Either someone has did the love marriage or her marriage has been arranged, but none of the forced marriage happened.
What gave you strength? What gave you hope in this period?
अब मैं अपनी बेटी की तरफ देख के वही, क्योंकि मैं कुछ कमज़ोर पड़ गई तो फिर मेरे बेटी को देखने के लिए कौन होंगे, तो उसी को देख देख के मजबूत होती हूँ। ये सोचती हूँ जीऊँगी तो उसके लिए कुछ करूँगी, मेरे जैसा तो हाल तो नहीं होगा उसका, और मेरे साथ जो हुआ वो नहीं होना चाहिए उसके साथ। इसी वजह से उसकी तरफ देख के ही करती हूँ सब कुछ, हिम्मत अपने आप ही करती हूँ उनकी तरफ देख के।
She gets all her strength from her daughter. So just looking at her daughter, she thinks that whatever she has seen in her life, her daughter should not go through from the same phase. So she wants to devote her whole life for her daughter. She wants to do the job, want to earn money, and do everything what best she can do for her daughter, so that her daughter can live a good life and not like her. No, she never get inspired or motivation from any other person. Her daughter is the only motivational factor for her. Believes that whether she will live her life or not, or whatever way she will live her life, she is not concerned about that anymore. She just want to devote her whole life for her daughter.
हाँ, अब उसी के लिए सब कुछ करना है उसे। मैं चाहती हूँ उसे पढ़ा लिखा के उसको ऐसी लाइफ बनाओ कि जो मेरे साथ हुए वो उसके साथ ना हो।
She just want that she earns ample of money so that she can get her daughter a well education, and her daughter can be well established in her career, and whatever had happened with her, she don't want that the same thing can happen with her daughter. So she want to make her daughter a self sustainable and self dependable person.
ये सीखा हूँ कि दुनिया में मतलब ही सब होते हैं, जब कमाओ तो हर कोई देखते हैं, जब कोई ना कमाओ तो कोई नहीं देखते।
She thinks that nowadays the people are more selfish in the world, especially here. And if someone is earning, then the people start praising you. People start keeps nearby to you. But when you are not earning and you don't have money, so people let you go. So they don't gets connected with you. So most concern is the people is towards money, not with the relationship.
Do you think you're stronger also now?
नहीं, अब देख क्या है, पहले तो सबकी बात मानती थी, सब वो करते थे। अब बाद में पता चला कि खुद का कुछ नहीं रहेंगे तो कोई नहीं देखता, इसलिए खुद को ही मजबूत होना पड़ता है।
So this situation makes her more strong, and she learns from this experience that whatever you have to do it on your own. Earlier, before marriage, she used to trust on peoples and the relatives, but now she don't do it anymore. Whatever she wants to do, and she wants to do it on her own, without having trusting on any person.
वही बोलना चाहूँगी कि कोई जब भी शादी वगैरह करे तो इसे देखे, ध्यान से करे, चाहे 1 साल टाइम ले लो, चाहे 6 महीना, उनको देख के फिर शादी करे, मम्मी पापा के दबाव से ना करे।
She wants and to pass this message to everyone that when you are getting married, don't marry just because of the parental pressure, because your parents are forcing you to get married. You spend 6 months or a year, it hardly matters, but you should spend enough time to understand the person with whom you are marrying. Without doing this, never get married, even when your parents are pressurizing. So understand first before getting married, so that you can take the wiseful decision.
अब डिवोर्स हो जाए वही चाहती हूँ कि डिवोर्स के बाद मैं अपनी बेटी को उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी लाइफ दूँ, मेरे से ज़्यादा।
She just wants that the divorce can happen as quickly as possible, so that she can also be free from this marriage, and she can do the best for her daughter after divorce.
Good day. Good day.
सुनने दो।
Most of all, my sincerest respect and thank you to the young lady who was ready to give the interview and telling us about her experiences and feelings. Also, I want to thank the organization with the German name Mein Beitrag, meaning my contribution. Without them, this interview would not have been possible. A big thank you as well to our translator. Radio Core, stories to tell.